China has named its Mars exploration mission Tianwen, meaning Questions to Heaven. It's the title of a poem written more than 2,000 years ago, reflecting a persistence in exploring nature and the universe. A perfect metaphor for the purpose of China's Mars probe. Welcome to Mars! Tianwen is not here just yet. Let me tell you why. Well, it's because both Mars and Earth are orbiting around the Sun, but with different angles. So a direct traveling path is impossible. Therefore, agencies usually launch their spacecraft in the direction of where Mars is going to be. In Tianwen's case, after very careful calculations and months of scrupulous traveling, voila, there it lands. Welcome to Mars, Tianwen. It must have been quite a journey for you. This mission was proposed exactly 10 years ago, but the project wasn't officially launched until 2016. Well, many have compared the Mars probe to moon exploration. Last year, a Chinese probe landed on the far side of the moon. That project provided some experience for the Mars probe, but the technological challenges are not exactly the same. As we can see, the moon and Mars have different environments. The particles in the Mars's soil are not as sharp as the moon's, and the dust on Mars doesn't contain static electricity. Mars also has a thin atmosphere with unpredictable air pressure and wind direction, plus constant dust storms, making a landing on the planet far more difficult than landing on the moon. Another problem is power supply for the rover. Tianwen has a bigger pair of solar wings to collect more power because Mars is further away from the Sun. Well, how far? Orbiting nearly 210 million kilometers away from the Sun, Mars receives much weaker solar power. And dust storms certainly didn't make things easier. 50 years ago, in April 1970, China launched its first satellite, the Dongfang 1. In October 2003, China put its first person into space on board the Shenzhou 5. And in October 2007, the Chang'e 1 was sent to the moon to orbit and then land. And now in 2020, China's Mars exploration begins. Bon voyage, Tianwen!